Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to select only blank cells in Google Sheet. Step 1. Select full column or selected only table. Go to Data tab, create filter and click the filter drop down menu. Clear, select only blanks and see this show data. Again, clear, select only blank. And step 2. Step 2. Selected full table or full column as you wish. Go to Format tab, conditional formatting, format cells is important. Select color, clear, OK. Then hold Control, select it manually, hold Control. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.